In this video, I'll detail how to disable location tag on iPhone on iOS 18. So when you take a picture on your iPhone, just like this, and then you click on the picture, you swipe up, you will see the location where this particular photo was taken. So that is the location tag effect on your iPhone. So here, I'm going to show you how to remove this location tag effect on your iPhone on all iPhone, including the one on iOS 18 or iOS 17 or the 11 version. So if you done this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All you need to do when you want to disable or turn off location tag on iPhone camera is go to your iPhone settings. Now while on the settings page, just scroll down and select privacy and security. Then locate location services. Here you have access to all the applications that are currently using your iPhone location to track your device or showing your location whenever you are using the application. So in this case, locate the camera app and click on it. Here you can see I selected when using the application. So whenever I'm using this camera app on my iPhone, this is going to show my location on the photos I take or on the videos. Now to disable this, all you just need to do is click on never, or when you click on ask next time or when I share, this is going to prompt you to enable location tag on your iPhone on iOS 18. But to disable the location tag on your iPhone, just select never, and then after that, go ahead and open your camera app. Then take another photo with your camera on your iPhone. Then let's go ahead and do this. Now once you take the photo, open the photo on your iPhone. If you swipe up like this, you discover that the location tag is no longer active and the maps fails to come up. So that is all you need to do when you want to turn off location tag on iPhone camera on iOS 18. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.